Still struggling to cook a proper meal while camping? A bad stove means slow cooking, wasted fuel, and cold food when you need energy the most. In this video, I'll show you the best camping stoves that are powerful, reliable, and easy to use, so you can cook anywhere without hassle. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off at number 5 is the Fire Maple Camping Stove System, a great choice for backpackers and minimalists who want a stove that's light, compact, and efficient. This stove uses a screw-in butane/propane fuel canister, adapter included, so you don't need to fuss with larger tanks, ideal when every ounce in your pack counts. The flame control is surprisingly precise, letting you simmer soups or boil water quickly for coffee. Setup is quick, and the foldable arms provide good pot stability even on uneven ground. Because it's optimized for smaller cookware, it's not the best choice if you want to cook a full meal for a big group. But for hikers, solo campers, and ultralighters, Fire Maple delivers reliable heat and fast boil times in a tiny package. Its blend of portability, flame control, and ease of use earns it a solid spot on this list. At number 4, the Gas One Portable Butane Camping Stove gives you simple, clean fuel performance for quick meals on the trail or campsite. Powered by standard butane canisters, this stove ignites easily and offers steady, strong heat for cooking everything from pancakes to pasta. Butane burns clean with minimal odor, which is really convenient when you're cooking in small tents or at crowded campgrounds. The compact footprint and fold-down legs make it super travel-friendly, and it's light enough to toss in a travel bag without adding bulk. One thing to keep in mind, butane performs best in warmer weather. If you're camping in freezing or near-freezing temperatures, propane can be a bit more dependable. Still, for spring, summer, and early fall adventures, this Gas One stove is a reliable, budget-friendly option that pairs well with lightweight cookware and casual campers. Coming in at number 3 is the Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Camping Grill/Stove, a versatile choice that doubles as both a grill and a stove, perfect for families and groups who want flexibility. With 2 burners and a grill surface, you can cook burgers, eggs, and pancakes at the same time, or switch between boiling water and grilling hot dogs without swapping gear. It runs on a small 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, which is easy to find at most outdoor stores and gas stations. The side wind block panels help maintain flame efficiency in breezy conditions, and the removable grill grate makes cleaning a breeze. Because it's larger and heavier than single-burner stoves, it's not ideal for backpacking. But if you're car camping or tailgating, this Coleman model brings serious convenience and performance. A true all-in-one cooking station that keeps meals moving and appetites happy. Runner-up on our list is the Gas One GS3400P Propane Portable Camping Stove, a compact twin-burner stove that balances power and portability. This unit delivers more cooking space and flame control than typical backpacking stoves, making it great for couples or small groups who want to cook more than one item at a time. The burners are reliable and adjustable, giving you simmering or boiling at a moment's notice, and propane fuel provides strong performance even in cooler weather. Its lightweight build and foldable legs make it easy to transport, and the simple control knobs are a breeze to use when you're tired after a long hike. This stove is a favorite for weekend car campers, fishermen, and RVers, anyone who wants stove-like control in a portable package. If you want versatility without a massive footprint, the Gas One propane stove is a top-tier pick. And our number 1 pick is the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove, the gold standard for reliable outdoor cooking. This rugged stove consistently delivers strong heat, solid flame control, and dependable performance in a variety of conditions, from backyard camping to remote campsites. With 2 adjustable burners, you can boil water quickly while simmering side dishes, which makes meal timing easier when you're feeding a group. The wind block panels help maintain stable flame efficiency, and the push-button ignition gets you cooking fast without frustration. Coleman's classic build quality means this stove can take some knocks and still perform, and replacement propane tanks are easy to find anywhere in the US. It's bigger than ultralight backpacking stoves, but for car camping, tailgating, beach trips, and family outings, there's almost nothing that outperforms the Triton in reliability and cooking power. If you want one camping stove you can count on for years, this is the one to grab.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!